Have you ever just looked through the photos on your phone, through your camera roll or album, and just look at them and think they're a little flat, a little lackluster? You're missing some element of photography, but you don't quite know what it is. Or maybe you see this beautiful scene and you think you can capture it, and then when you look at it on your phone, there's something missing. Well, I know what that is, and I could teach it to you. It's called composition. Well, it's actually called good composition. You got the composition, it's just not very good. Over the years, I developed this method, which is incredibly simple and practical, and I dare say fun method of learning composition. It's called the Paxton Simple, Practical, and I dare say fun method of learning composition. You could also call it Zen and the art of composition. How to make your photos suck a little bit less than they already do suck. It's a little long, but you get my drift. What I teach is basic grammar for photography. How to frame a picture in such a way that it's enticing, that it's engaging. And this video series is not for photographers, it's for the average person. Whether you're selling something on eBay, maybe you're on a dating app. I mean, good luck with that one. Or maybe you just want better memories of your kids. It's gonna help you tremendously if you can learn how to frame these in so the photos are engaging. I really think you owe it to me because I spent so much time talking to at least check it out. I mean, come on, like what else you got going on?